VU Learning Tree presents NCERT Class 6, A Pact with the Sun, Chapter 2, A Friendly Mongoose Story. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. One day, farmer said to his wife,
"We must have a pet. When our son grows up, he needs a companion."
One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. "It's a baby mongoose," said his wife.
"But if it grows, it will be a friend to our son."
Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 to 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. One day, farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She said to his husband, "I am off to the market. Keep an eye on the baby and don't leave the child with mongoose."
"Don't worry, mongoose is a good animal. It is sweet as our baby, and they both are the best friends."
The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in his house, and he decided to go out.
"Let me go and check out the fields."
He found some of his friends on his way, and he didn't return home for quite some time. Farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, the mongoose ran to welcome her. Farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood! You have killed my baby!" She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the mongoose. And hurriedly she ran inside the house. When she went into the room, she saw the baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized that what had happened. "Oh, you saved my baby! You killed this snake! What I have done to you!" She ran outside and cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. After some time, she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Thank you.